My name is Amrah, the Beauty Elite, and I'm really excited to actually share today's video with you. So this little product right here is High Pigment Foundation. It actually has an SPF in there as well of 26, which is great. You can never have too much SPF. I personally layer, so this is great to have some in a powder form as well. Now you can actually use this powder in a powder form if you want to have a really nice and light application, or if you want it to be a little bit more concentrated, you can mix some mixing medium in, which is this product right here, and that will create almost like a regular liquid cream foundation out of this powdered product. So you're actually able to use this product in multiple ways depending on how much coverage you're after. A great feature about the packaging itself is it has this little twist lid which conceals the area where the holes are that actually distribute the powder. So even though it's not got the lid on it, nothing will fall out. You can completely close it. So that's really good in terms of hygiene, in terms of keeping the product to last longer, and just in terms of not making a giant mess with your workspace. To start with, I'm actually going to use the powder in its true powder form, just so you can actually see what that looks like. So I've applied a little bit onto my brush, and I'm actually going to buff it out onto my hand again, and I'm going to work the product into the bristles. So that will help to get an even application once again, and it will help to kind of not bunch up the product on any one area. So you really want to work the product into the bristles of the brush itself. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply. That's literally flawless. And that's not. Now, I'm not sure if it translates on camera, but in person, my skin actually still looks like skin and it feels like skin. It's not sticky at all, and that's obviously because we're applying a dry powder product. You can see the flawless finish that I'm given over here, and in comparison to this side. Now, for the next side, I'm going to show you how I use the powder foundation in a liquid form so that you can see the difference between the two sides and you can see how you would prefer to use it. And so I've got the product right there, and then I have the mixing medium right here. I'm going to blend it together and kind of create a paste. Now you can see this is just perfect. Now you do want to use this quite quickly and work with it quite quickly because it does set, so you want to really, you know, as soon as you've mixed it together, you want to apply it. Can you see how that glides on? It's really nice and soft. It glides on really smoothly. I like to quickly just stipple it on. You can see there's actually a lot more coverage on this side than this side. And I'm using just the same exact product, but with a little bit of mixing medium. And it literally sets like magic. Like, I don't even need to go over this with the powder. It is the powder and the foundation all in one. And there you have it. We've got the two sides of application. We've got the powder, and then we've got the powder mixed in with the mixing medium itself. Now the great thing is both sides actually set immediately without needing any form of assistance from a setting spray or any other product like that. I can literally touch the side that was wet, and you can see my hand has literally nothing on there aside from what I was mixing, the remains of. I would probably go for the heavier coverage on days when I want to have total glam and I want everything to look completely flawless, and then on days when I just want to be out the door and looking flawless and gorgeous without having to, you know, have a complete cover on my skin, I would go for the powder side alone. Both sides actually feel great. I do feel like this one has a little bit of a thicker application, which is understandable because I did apply a lot more product onto this side, and on this side it's completely weightless. It feels almost as if I'm not even wearing any product there at all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and I really hope you actually learned something new as well. I love the Dermaflage products, and I love the versatility, and I love the fact that they're smudge proof. And take care, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.